Life's busy, we're constantly on the move, juggling work, family, and everything in between. It's no wonder we feel tired sometimes. That afternoon slump can hit hard. You're sluggish, unproductive, and craving a sugary pick-me-up. We've all been there. But what if there was a delicious and healthy way to fight fatigue and power through your day? Coffee and energy drinks seem like the easy answer. They promise a quick boost, but let's be real, they often leave you feeling worse. The jitters, the crash, the sugar rush, it's not a sustainable solution. These drinks can also disrupt your sleep and make you feel even more drained in the long run. Enter the energy-boosting smoothie. This isn't just your average breakfast blend. We're talking about a powerhouse of nutrients designed to revitalize your body and mind. Smoothies are incredibly versatile, allowing you to pack in a variety of fruits, vegetables, and superfoods. Let's talk ingredients. Bananas provide natural sugars and potassium for sustained energy. Berries are packed with antioxidants and fiber to keep you feeling full and focused. Spinach is a sneaky source of iron, which is essential for combating fatigue. Chia seeds offer a plant-based boost of protein and omega-3 fatty acids. And finally, acai berry powder adds a vibrant punch of antioxidants and a subtle, delicious flavor. Ready to experience the ultimate energy boost? Here's your go-to recipe ingredients. 1 frozen banana, half a cup mixed berries, fresh or frozen, 1 cup spinach, 1 tablespoon chia seeds, 1 teaspoon acai berry powder, and 1 cup almond milk or coconut water. Instructions: combine all ingredients in a high-speed blender. Blend until smooth and creamy. Pour into your favorite glass and enjoy. This recipe is just a starting point. Feel free to get creative and add your own favorite ingredients. Try adding a scoop of protein powder, a dollop of nut butter, or a sprinkle of cinnamon. The possibilities are endless. So ditch the sugary drinks and embrace the power of a delicious, nutrient-packed smoothie. Your body will thank you. What are your favorite smoothie combinations? Share your recipes and energy-boosting tips in the comments below.